Just getting Lucy ready for some work on her sills and chassis legs, etc. So first job today is taking out the carpet, and she looks fairly solid, to be honest. Have a look on that's the rear cross member. It's all nice and solid on there. Floor's all nice and solid. Surprisingly, all the inner sills seem to be solid. Let's get around the front. All that seems to be solid. Up on there. Rest around the side. Right, same on the side. All fairly solid. Pinched a little patch to set up. On the hill, she is actually quite solid inside. That's the old static seat belts are getting replaced. Underneath might be a different story. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of rot there, which is going to have to be sorted out. Look underneath. If you look there, look. So, bit of rust there, and there. Jacking points a bit knackered, so we'll get new ones in. So underneath, she seems to be worse than she is on top. So we'll look around the other side. Got a little bit of rot there. Similar story there. A couple of little holes there that need to be sorted out. And a little bit there, wait for that focus. Obviously new jacking point there, and along there. So it's the underneath that's more of an issue than the top side. So what the plan is, take these off, obviously on both doors, same on the other side, and then see how bad she is on that bit. But I'll probably end up getting a complete new sill section anyway, get it all done properly. So do another video shortly. Thanks for watching. Bye.